welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Blossom trees are full colour everywhere this time of the year. The flowering cherries are wonderful. The best white, and this is really large flowering white, is Prunus taihaku. And Prunus taihaku grows like that, enormous white flowers. Now when you see them in flower, the leaves when they unfold first are bronze and then very big white flowers like that. Great strong grower, lovely maybe to frame an entrance or as an individual specimen. This time of year the plant Prunus taihaku is commonly called the great white cherry for obvious reasons, enormous big white flowers. All you do is dig a hole twice the depth of the pot, put some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. That's the planting fertilizer to reduce transplant shock and be slowly released from the plant. A little bit of swell well compost and soil on top and the same back and around. And a fine tree like this, there are a couple of sizes in the web shop. We need a good stake and strap as well to keep it nice and firm. Good autumn leaf colour as well. Bronze leaves in spring when they unfold, white flowers, enormous white flowers, and green leaves in the summer, and then a crescendo of autumn colour in the autumn. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.